Hi everyone, my name is Jessie. I hope you all stay healthy and stay safe at home. Now I will introduce about the history of the Chuan Egg Industry Century Berhad. Chuan Egg Industry Century Berhad is an enterprise in southern Malaysia with the main office in Sungai Mati, Johor. It operates in the field of furniture and related product manufacturing, which are included manufacturing, subcontracting, and trading furniture and furniture parts. Then it was incorporated on 31st December 2008 as a private limited company and has been in existence for 12 years. So we have interviewed the manager, so they have tell us about many problems of their company. So I hope that we can use our QC tools to help them. So I will present about the process flow. The rest QC tools will present by our group mates. Now I will present about the process flow. First, the designer will accept the customer order to start to design the furniture until the customer satisfied. After the customer satisfied, they will send the design to the product line. Okay, they will start to measure the wood. See the wood is require how many cm lah. Okay, after measure the wood, they will send to the cutting process. In the process, they will be cutting, moistening, joint, and driving. The machine that being used in this process is the IP machines, rotor machines, moisturizer machine, and the driving machine. Okay, after that they will sanding it and brushing, spraying or the required color. After that they will send to the other section to assemble the example of the part of the wood. Okay, after the process is done, they will quality checking, see the products if have any problem or not. If they didn't have any problem, they will send to the packing process to start packing it. After that, they will send to the shop or supermarket or what. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Chan Li Jie. I will briefly present about the jet sheet. Okay, there are three categories, which are the raw material, operation process, and the operation machine. These defects are the main factor to lead to the problem of inefficient production. Okay, in these three categories, operation process is a more defect than the others because there are four defects, which are the short of manpower, time consuming in operation process, okay, waste of material, and the last one is a long total travel distance for the product. Okay, among these four defects, the frequency of waste of material is the highest with 13. Like this table, you can see the table, the frequency. Okay, that means the workers are not efficient in using the suitable quantity of raw material in this Chuan Egg industry, Sdn Bhd. Okay, thank you.
My name is Lo Mei Jing, and I will discuss about the Pareto analysis. This analysis is discuss about the causes and the conditions of the Chuan Egg company. There is a defect in this company, which is waste of materials, time consuming in the operation process, machines overheat, long total travel between the product and the workers, short of manpowers, broken part, and delay operations for waiting parts compensations, and lastly is machine broken. The first is waste of material. It is occur very frequently in a week, which is 13 times within a week, and it is more than the 25%. Second is time consuming in operation process. It occurs 10 times a week. Lastly, the defect is machine broken, which occur once time a week, and it also considered as unexpected issues. That's all for the Pareto analysis. Then it will continue with the affinity diagram.
Hi, my name is Lee Zhe. Now I'm going to introduce about the fourth QC tools that we use in our project, which is the affinity diagram. And previously, we used the Pareto analysis to analyze and determine the ranking of 5 prior defects in Triad company. And these defects are waste of materials, time consuming in operation process, machine overheating, long travel distance for the product, and short of manpower. And we also use the affinity diagram to verify and classify these defects into different aspects. And firstly, the issue of waste of material can be classified as the defects in the raw material selection aspect. And secondly, the issue of time consuming operation process can be determined as the issue in method aspect. And thirdly, the issue of machine overheating can be classified as the defects in machine aspect. And next, the issue of long travel distance for the product can be classified as the defects in environment aspect. This is because during in working environment, the workers are forced to travel for long distance in the production process. And lastly, the issue of short of manpower can be determined as the defects in employees or man aspect. That's all for me. Thank you.
My name is Lee Chin Yong. Now we go to the part of fishbone diagram. Fishbone diagram, also called Ishikawa diagram, is used for analysis and provider problem solving effort by gathering and organizing the possible cause. It has 5 elements for this diagram. First and foremost, the problem about material is when material caused by new step, the employer are difficult for raw material selection and determination, lack for experience, training, and basic skill. Secondly, the problem about material is time consuming in operation because weak company rule and regulation leave the employer believe the SOP are not important, so they ignore SOP, not concerned with following the correct procedure and prefer follow their own procedures. Moreover, the problem about machine is machine overheater will caused by machine property reduced. The company do not take maintenance periodically and maintenance gets redundant. At the same time, the employer never noticed that the machine parts are starting broken and become worse. Furthermore, the problem about environment is long driver designed for product because improper scaling and unoptimity machine layout with long idle time in production and operation environment. Company also don't consider weight for entire process force. Lastly, the problem about man is short for manpower recalled by essential long team and attitude in work, low motivation, low efficiency, and in view by other worker bad behavior. That's all. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Jachi. So now I'll be introducing the next QC tool, which is tree diagram. We are using tree diagram to try and solve this company's problem. Using tree diagram, we are able to identify the main problem, which is inefficient production in this company. Branch into 5 main solutions, which is improve raw material selection, which branch into another detailed solution, make the work guide for determined materials. The second one is improve knowledge about type of materials, and the last one is implement employee training. Okay, for the second solution though is improve time in operate process, which branch into introduce to use SOP, standard operating procedure, and enhance the awareness about SOP and streamline the operate process. For the third one is improve product problem of machine overheat, which branch into maintenance periodically, daily checking and testing, apply automatic inspection system for machine. For the fourth solution is improve environment of factory, which branch into optimizing the machine layout of factory, risk management, analyze and find the possible issues. And for the last solution is improve employees' work efficiency, which branch into increase working motivation and attitude, solve workers' discipline problems, and monitor workers with proper and entire surveillance system.
Hi, my name is Yoluwen. Now I want to present prioritization matrix diagram. It shows the most efficiency decision making to solve the company's problem due to each solution score and ranking. The first problem of TrianX is the raw material selection. The company needs to make work guides for determine the raw materials, especially for new employees have not more understanding about the standard and necessary raw materials for company. Secondly, time in operate process. The best solution for operate time improvement is introduced to use standard operating procedures, which is SOP. This solution achieves highest total score as 42 among all solutions of all types of problem. More important, solution achieves highest total score as 42 among all solutions of all types of problem. More importantly, it's not only helping helping to minimize the time in operate of process, but also improve our quality of process. Next, machine overheat also become one of this company's problem. In this case, apply automatic inspection system for machine become highest ranking for solution. More especially, it achieves higher score in aspect of relevant performance and stability because it's an interrupted operation. Environment of factory also need to pay more attention by company. In addition, the results show analyze and find the possible issue is the best way for improve the or reduce the problem. Last, employees' work efficiency is one of problems which often need to consult by company. In this situation, monitor worker with proper entire surveillance system become best solution because the manager or related employee is difficult to monitor the worker efficiency during the operation time due to the quantity of worker and tasks are too much. In conclusion, these 7 quality tools are very useful to monitor the overall process of product and contribute to continuous improvement of the product. Hopefully that this research will be useful in the future for the company to improve its management. Okay, this is all our 7 QC tools presentation, and thanks for watching it. Thank you.